Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a 3D round braid. This is a request and I did it on the mannequin head. So I splitted the hair into two equal parts in the middle, and now you take the front section, and I did it in a lightly triangle shape. I split it into two, and then these two strands into four equal strands. So take half and then again half, and now we are starting with the upper strand. It goes under the first and the second neighbor and then around the second neighbor. So go under the first, under the second, and now bring it around. When you have done this, you do the same thing from the left hand side. Bring it under the first, under the second, and around the second. Now you bring the upper strand under the first, you add in some hair, bring it under the second and around the second. Now again bring under the left hand strand, under the first and second and around the second. And like this you keep on going. For me it's easier when I say, you see there I added in the hair, then when I say always the steps that I'm doing, otherwise I could get mixed up. So keep on going to bring always the strand under, then you add in hair, and you go under the second and you bring it around, and then directly I bring under the next strand. That is like closing the braid so that it does not unravel. So say the steps, always under, add in, go with everything under the second and around, and then again under, add in hair. When there's no more hair to add in, it's much easier. You can even go directly with the outer strand under the two middle strands and then around one. And this is how you finish the braid. You see, under first, under second, around second, under first, under second, around second. And when you reach the very end, hold it loosely, and now you can pancake the braid. This makes it look wider. Of course you can leave it without the pancaking, but I love this 3D effect when I'm pulling out the outer edges from the braid. And you can do it just try it out in different ways. You can bring out only the strands that are very close to the head. These are those that I'm pulling right now. Or you can pull out everything. What I love to do, especially when I want the style to be more funky, more edgy, and yeah, just a big braid that sticks out. This is the final result. I did it in a double braid like you see. I hope you like it. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for a new video. See you back here soon. Bye bye.